What's up, guys? And it's my cousin, okay? No him, he's a noob. It's raining, guys. Yeah, guys, it's raining, and it could flood again. Noise? Just the car. It's just a car. Don't worry. It's actually raining because let me show you this. Look, it's not raining. Here it is. Kind of wet. It's not raining that hard. See some cars there? If you wanna ask, Brooker, you probably know that it's the burning. I was thinking like you burn the bee and then you stick it there, ground. So like you burn the stick, just the bee. That's what we do all year. It's kind of. So is my camera getting wet? Let's look forward. Such a big. So guys, today. Yeah, not today. Okay. The big fail. The beep. Okay. Yeah. God, I almost fell down. So, yeah, guys. Tomorrow's Friday. It's so great. So grateful. More better because we'll get out of 3:30. Boring. I wish pre-gear. They get out too. So guys, you make sure to subscribe, comment, and tell us if your road is flooded. If you saw last video, see, look. A little bit hard. So yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe and peace out. And you make sure to subscribe to Harold's channel and my friend's channel. You'll probably know. You probably subscribe to them. Okay, peace. Ding ding.